So that is assessments in a nutshell. Let's move on to presentations. What's great about this is you can build out your own presentations into the platform if you'd like. Very, very simple, very intuitive. Or, whoops, hit the wrong button there. My apologies. Or you can import your slides from Google Slides, your PowerPoint decks. If you are someone who builds out on Canva, you can download them as PDFs and upload them into the platform. So let me show you why we recommend that. So if I go in here and let me find one of my old presentations, I'm going to go ahead and import this slide deck. Say I'm getting ready to teach today on ancient Rome. What we've done with our presentations is we've done two things. Number one, we have tried to gamify them. So you can turn on a leaderboard. So in the midst of your actual lesson, students are going to be intrigued. They're going to be engaged because they want to be at the top of the leaderboard. They want to earn points for their little Wayground avatar. But number two, from a data perspective, we can embed questions. And as the teacher, I can get data in real time to see how that is going. So you know what? Yeah, we're going to say, let's do some questions for check for understanding. And you'll see it's going to go through. It's going to look through my images. It's going to look through my YouTube video links. It's going to look through my text and content and start to build out questions. So for example, maybe here, the first part of the lesson, we're going to talk about this meme with Romulus and Remus and the foundation of Rome. But then I want to make sure that what I taught them about this origin story actually resonated with them. So then instantly we have a question that follows up on their device where it's going to say, okay, who were the founding twin brothers of Rome? And then what's great is from the teacher's perspective on my screen, I get the data to show me whether or not my students were able to understand that concept and whether or not we can move on. If they all struggle with it and I see in real time that they all got it wrong, now we can go back and reteach again. But again, similar to our other ways that we utilize AI, you're not stuck or beholden with it. I can say, you know what, no, I don't really like that question. We're going to move on. And then I can also make edits. I can add images, recordings, video, all that good stuff. So really, really powerful in terms of a way to further engage your students, but also get accurate data in real time. You don't have to wait until the presentation is over or until you give that exit ticket activity to see if everything clicked. You now have that right there and then, which is really, really powerful.